Be strong.
Well, good morning from another day, another weekend at Gulf Harbour Marina, the free camping park up. It just seems this place gets busier every single weekend. It's just unbelievable how there's just so little places to go to, that everybody starts congregating in places like this. But what a picture. Check out Rangitoto.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
So behind me is the Hauraki Gulf. This is the entrance of the Gulf Harbour Marina where all the vessels come in and out. An absolute idyllic spot on the north coast of Auckland. Just give you a bit of a sweep round behind me. Sun's right in my eyes there. Woo! Sun's just coming up in the morning here. Yeah, absolutely fantastic spot. So, giving you an idea, that's the ferry parking over there where you're not supposed to park up, but it's just overflow. And then of course you've got the campsite over there where all the park homes are set up. So I'll give you an idea of how full this particular free camping spot is as I walk into it. Just take a walk down and keep quiet because people are still sleeping. Check this out. And there's our Lizzie parked up over there. It's a good spot. Now this space is normally taken up by the boaties that park their trailers here. But as you can see, it is now a full-time park up for motorhomes and camper vans. Pretty incredible. There's just no space, and it's a Saturday morning. Look how many trailers are actually parked up here for actual boaties and everything. Incredible. Later that morning, my good friend Duncan gave me a call and asked if I wasn't doing anything particularly important right now, would I like to join him and another friend on his boat, Chiavari, for an afternoon of fishing on the Hauraki Gulf. Naturally, I wasn't going to turn him down, so I grabbed my e-scooter and shot down to the marina to meet them. After a pre-voyage check to see that all was safe and sound on the boat, we headed out of Gulf Harbour Marina into the beautiful blue waters of the Hauraki Gulf. This is the other side of van life, but on water. Well, you know what I mean. Watch out, fish. We're on our way. Don't panic, and no, the boat isn't steering itself, although it probably could. Anyway, Captain Duncan was on the flying bridge above me and well in control of the vessel. What a beautiful day to go fishing. It's not often I get the chance to get out on the water, so thanks to Captain Duncan and our mate Bill for the company. Now let's get down to the important job of catching fish, which, as we all know, takes a whole heap of concentration.
Hey, just because you fix the doesn't mean you can catch all the fish, right? Stop it. Jesus.
Oh, settle down.
Seem to be into the rowdy children. Huh? Ooh. Don't strike too hard, because you'll pull it bait right out of the mouth.
You just wind it slowly.
Yeah, just wind it slowly until they get nab, right slowly. Yep, that's it. Right on, yeah. That's the one. Be a keeper. Thieving little buggers. Sick.
That was the one over. Quite like bugger it.
There you go. There you go. That's what we want to see.
And so, with my limited talents as a fisherman, I proceeded to pull out the biggest catch of the day on Chiavari. It was a 47 centimeter red snapper. And no, it wasn't a lucky cast. I knew what I was doing. Well, that's what I'm telling them anyway. So friends, until next time, happy trails. Don't forget to subscribe to follow my journeys across New Zealand, and click the bell thingy to be notified of new episodes as they launch. Oh yeah, and if you like this video, you can click the like button too. Drive safe, and I'll see you on the road. Bye for now.